How to clear app cache on Android. Now there are two ways from which you can clear your app cache. For the first one, navigate to the app and tap and hold on it. At the top right corner of the menu, click on the eye icon. After doing that, you will land to App Info. Scroll down to the Usage section and click on Storage. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache and your cache will be cleared. For another method, you will need to open your settings. Navigate to the Settings app and open it. On the main page or display of the settings, scroll down and select the option Apps. Now simply search for the app that you are looking for. Click on the app and inside App Info, follow the same steps. By using these two methods, you can clear your app cache. Once the app cache is cleared, don't forget to check for any kind of updates that may be available. Go to Play Store on your device and search for the app. If there are any updates available, click on the update option to update your app. After that's done, then give your device a quick restart. That's all for today. Thank you.